Welcome back. This is Lunchtime News. A section of livestock farmers are now manufacturing animal feeds using black soldier fly as a key protein ingredient to lower feed costs. The project, initiated by the Consultative Group for International Agricultural Research Project, has seen farmers start manufacturing their own feed to mitigate against high global feed raw material prices.
Kenya imports 60% of the 55 million metric tons of animal feeds used in the country annually. To lower the feeds import bill and cost of production in the livestock subsector, farmers have been encouraged to formulate their own feeds. A section of farmers in Kisumu have started using black soldier fly to manufacture animal feeds as a substitute for the expensive soya.
We are getting that the larvae itself, if we sell, we'll get money. From the larvae itself, we shall get frass. Frass can also be plowed back into the soil as a nutrient.
The insect larvae are rich in proteins, an ideal source for livestock, including poultry, fish, and pigs.
At first, I was afraid of the black flies. The black soldier flies were scaring me. In fact, I was afraid of the larvae. I couldn't even touch them. But nowadays, I have found it is beneficial.
The CGIAR, under its initiative on nature-positive solutions, is training farmers on the processing of the fly and composition of locally manufactured feeds.
I've liked the whole, the whole idea about BSF, because it is not just going to take care of an area. It is an activity that is all round.
The fly's larvae also thrive on organic waste, converting the waste into organic manure. The initiative aims to support sustainable agriculture production by reducing cost through eco-friendly farm practices.